lighter side here at Flashpoint Radio. I'm Jay-Z. This is a exclusive, Flashpoint Radio exclusive. On my lengthened hiatus, I brushed up on my internet research skills, and I came across a scene done by none other than Michael J. Fox that has never been seen before. If you don't know why this is funny, find out why this is funny. You won't regret it. So let's take a look at this exclusive canned footage, never before seen. Michael J. Fox, tryouts, the general store scene. Roll the tape.
Yes.
Hi.
Can I help you?
I'd like a keg of beer, please.
Are you crazy, boy? Here in Nilbog, it's the devil's drink. Here's some Nilbog milk. Special milk, high in vitamin content.
How much is that?
It's free.
Free?
Of course it's free. We love tourists here in Nilbog. Try some, boy. And have some of your friends drink some also.
Give me a keg of beer.
Do you feel all right?
Yeah. And these.
If you don't know why it's funny, find out why it's funny. Just find out. Troll 2. Forever. Jay-Z out.
I'm afraid the heart's been canceled. The game now shows. All the dream was canceled. I lost football and no. Force getting ready. Man, we get too much. All the world will suffer. The Wookiees wicked clutch.